Hi everyone and welcome back to yet another video. Yesterday we were stuck on this layer norm forward function. We did manage to resolve the problem of shape mismatch, but we were getting all the zeros for some reason. And today we are going to check what's wrong with the function and let's see how it goes. Shape mismatch. We did made some changes and I think there's something wrong with our tensor add function. And let's see what's wrong here. Forward and add. So this is the last method, and y ahead and beta exponent has some difference in shape maybe. So let's just see. So this is our y head, and I'm gonna print this beta shape as well. Beta exp shape, and this is beta exp. Y shape. Okay, can we do this? Tensor add 206 tensor.c. Tensor add mm, tensor expand rules, tensor scaling, y head shape. Why is not running this script? Thing seems to work. Tensor add. So am I getting y hat shape. Okay, so all right, so again all zeros. Um, okay, so tensor add. Here's something wrong, I guess. We need to print the shape here. EPS. EPS and var exp. Huh. 32 0 var exp shape 16 32. Okay. Hmm. EPS shape is what tensor fill like. Yeah. Uh, var exp EPS shape or exp shape. 32 0. Okay, let me check out this function. What's wrong here? Okay, apparently this looks fine. X shape, right? Mm-hmm. Tensor feel like what's wrong with this function? What's wrong here? Uh, 1632. And why output shape is 32.0? I mean, tensor feel like, okay, so oh man, that's a huge bug here. That was a huge bug here. Are you sure? Well, it's still not working for some reason. I think this has to do something with no. Let's just uncomment the code lines. Okay, so vim lnc y head, and if I go up here, uh, okay, something is wrong. X dimension, y shape, tensor create new. Okay. Hmm. Alright, so we're not initializing this gamma matrix. Oh, man. We should initialize this. Gamma. Alright, so gamma exp. Expand rows. And then use tensor randomize here. So tensor randomize. And what it takes. Only X. Okay, so we don't need to randomize it over here, or can we do it? Let's just see. Let's just make this work, and we'll see in architecture whether should we randomize these weights here or in the main file. Let's get this going for now. So tensor randomize, it only takes gamma exp, and same for what? Beta randomize, beta exp. getting some values finally, but I need to uh, initialize them with weights, not that huge values. So tensor randomize. Do we have weights? Yes, we do have weights. Okay, fine. ln.c. Where's y hat? Weights, and let's not add this. So a gamma and out. This should return something sensible now. Boom. Are we getting something? Okay, so vim ln.c and y hat and return y. Okay, are we getting something? That's the question. So vim ln.c, if we see here, yeah, voila, it just worked. So the main problem was when we were multiplying this gamma matrix with our x hat, gamma was not initialized. It was initialized with all zeros, because let me tell you something important. So if I go here, LayerNorm dot h and c structure, I'm just you know assigning, just defining this, not initializing this. So yeah, learning scale. So we have just defined it over here, but we haven't initialized here. So initially it was having all zeros. When zeros matrix were getting multiplied with x hat, we're getting zeros, and when zeros were added up in beta matrix, beta tensor to this, the product of x hat and gamma, we were getting all the zeros. That's why this problem was occurring, and now we just fixed it and it is working like a charm. So I will see you in the next one.